Did you know this simple herb could transform your skin, support digestion, and balance your blood sugar? Today, we're diving into the amazing world of coriander, also known as cilantro. From glowing skin to a healthier heart, this little green herb does it all. Let's start with skin. Coriander is packed with antioxidants that protect against aging and dullness. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties help soothe acne, redness, and irritation naturally. You can make a coriander paste or juice and apply it directly to your skin for a refreshing glow. Besides skincare, coriander supports your entire body in powerful ways. Rich in antioxidants, protects your cells from damage, supports digestion, eases gas, bloating, and improves gut health. Blood sugar regulation, helps manage insulin and lower sugar spikes. Antimicrobial, fights harmful bacteria and infections. Heart health, may lower blood pressure and cholesterol. Detoxifying effects, helps flush out heavy metals from the body. Now, how do you actually use coriander? Let's start with the leaves, called cilantro. Sprinkle it raw on soups, curries, tacos, and salads. Blend into fresh salsas or green chutneys for a zesty flavor. Add to smoothies or green juices for detox support. Quick note: if cilantro tastes soapy to you, it's not your fault. It's due to a genetic trait. Next up, coriander seeds. These golden brown seeds are full of warm, citrusy flavor. Use whole or ground seeds in spice mixes like curry powder or garam masala. Toast seeds before grinding to boost the aroma. Add to soups, stews, marinades, and pickles. Try these easy ideas to get the most from coriander every day. Make coriander tea by boiling crushed seeds, great for digestion. Use ground coriander as the base for delicious curry dishes. Create a flavorful meat rub with coriander, cumin, and garlic powder. Want tasty recipes using coriander? Or tips for growing it at home, even on a windowsill? If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more natural health tips.